Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today, Chef Dominic's going to show you how to make his seafood risotto.
Oh, look at that. So good.
Unbelievable. Anyway, stick around. We'll show you how to make this. It's a wonderful, wonderful dish.
Thank you. Bye. Let's eat.
Okay, we're cutting an onion up for our risotto to get it started. All right, we're gonna add some olive oil to this pot to fry up our risotto with onions and garlic for a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna put our onions and garlic in there. Beautiful. Let me just show my eyes and burn. All right, we're frying up our onions and garlic. Just about another minute, and I'll throw the risotto in there. All right, we're gonna cook our risotto now. Now, also, too, by the way, we're doing a seafood risotto with cremini mushrooms and asparagus with shrimp and scallops.
Nice.
The shrimp and scallops I got from my good friends at Saviano's.
Thank you, Jack, over there, Antonio.
Best
And Sal.
best pizza and Italian food around. Go check it out.
Yeah, he's not kidding.
Don't take long to brown. All right, I'm gonna add 2 more cups of chicken stock to this.
How long does it usually take to cook this risotto?
I don't know, 20, 25 minutes.
Yeah, takes a little while.
But you have to keep turning it. You can't let it sit. You can't let it just sit there and cook for 20 minutes. You have
Not
to
like regular
constantly
rice.
turn it.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna cut up our asparagus and mushrooms now.
Asparagus.
Beautiful asparagus.
Oh, yeah.
They're very tender, the skinnier ones. The bigger ones, I don't like that much, but these are really good.
Beautiful.
That should be good. Usually I'll save these and I'll make an asparagus cream soup, which is really good. And I'll do that when the weather gets cooler outside. Right now it's too hot here in Texas, so.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, I'm gonna cut up our mini mushrooms. They're beautiful. All right.
All right.
Beautiful.
Good to go.
Beautiful mushrooms and asparagus.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little olive oil in our hot pan so we can fry up these asparagus.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh yeah. All right, let's fry up our asparagus and mushrooms.
Wait a minute. I can't.
Okay, hold on a second. Oh, this is going to be so good with the asparagus and mushrooms.
Looking forward to it.
Put a little salt and pepper in there. right, I'm going to add a little white wine to our vegetables here. All right, asparagus and mushrooms are ready. Asparagus is a little crunchy. I like it like that, but it'll still cook in the hot pan. Now we're gonna get ready to saute our fish, our scallops and shrimp, and a little olive oil and garlic and butter. Nice. All right, we're chopping up a little garlic here to saute our shrimp and scallops. And a little olive oil and a little butter, a little wine.
Very nice.
It looks like that's just about ready to go. Oh God, man, this came out. It's coming out good. Okay, risotto is just about there. Now this is where you want to be careful to keep turning it and maybe lower the temperature a little bit because it'll stick and burn.
Stick and burn. Sounds like a movie. What's that, about a half a stick?
Yeah. We got a lot of shrimp. We got maybe a pound and a half of shrimp, a pound of scallops, so. All right. I'm gonna put our shrimp in there. Yeah, these are white shrimp, 1620s, which means there's 16 to 20 per pound. All right, I'm going to add our scallops in there. Oh,
That's nice.
a little parsley in there.
Seafood heaven right there, folks. I love it.
Over. Give me some room. I'm going to try it out. See, this is ready yet. Just about should be.
Don't burn your mouth. About ready?
Just about. Oh, boy.
Smells phenomenal.
Forget about it. All right, our shrimp and scallops are ready. We're gonna put them in the risotto because it's ready. You don't want to put too much juice in there, you know, but we'll keep it on the side for reserve.
Beautiful.
Oh my God, man. This dish is fit for a king. Or me. Don't want to waste none of that beautiful garlic. Yeah, we'll throw just a little bit of that butter in there.
Oh man, it smells phenomenal.
Yum, yeah. This pan's just a little bit hot. And the same thing with the vegetables. You don't want to put none of the
liquid in all at one time. And it smells unbelievable.
all right, man. I think we're just about ready to eat. Look at that. Oh God, man. A little parsley, some cheese. Ooh. What do we got here?
Romano.
Pecorino Romano? Mm-hmm. Oh God, man. It looks beautiful.
Ready to go.
We are ready to eat.
Let's do it. Yeah. All right. Let's plate this puppy. Oh, look at that risotto. Oh, man. Come on, hurry. I'm hungry. Oh, look at that. Jeez, look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Parsley on there, nice.
Parsley.
More cheese.
Some of that beautiful Pecorino Romano. Oh,
Nice.
boy.
Beautiful. Let's eat.
Now I'm starving to death.
All right, risotto is ready. Seafood risotto. Let's check it out. Nearly played down. Look at that.
Yes, me.
Shut up.
Give me some pasta. Too many shrimp, man. More risotto. That's good for now.
Oh yeah, this looks freaking awesome. Oh man. Let's give it a try here. Man, this risotto is so creamy, it melts in your mouth.
Very good.
Salud. We appreciate you all. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks again.